This is dopamine cat, produced in the hypothalamus and other parts of the brain. Dopamine cat, after being produced, is then taken up by DAT protein, interesting name I know, and transported to other neurons. DAT protein, in this model, is being represented by a ball of yarn, as you can see, and it also serves to regulate the levels of dopamine in the body. Now for a brief intermission to say that dopamine signaling works through autocrine and paracrine signaling. Definitely not saying that because we need it as a requirement. Eventually, dopamine cat meets the receptor fish, and when dopamine cat eats the receptor fish, a G protein is activated, which then binds with adenylyl cyclase to activate that, which leads to the production of CAMP, represented by playing cards in this model. Wait, but what's that orange stuff growing? I wonder what it's going to become. Wait, is that 4 oranges, a lemon, and a clove of garlic? No, you idiot! It's PKA! What, me run out of object-small dopamine receptors in the brain because I didn't plan this video out in advance? No, I would never! Anyways, the CAMP and PKA produced have some effects in the neuron. PKA increases neuroplasticity and stimulates dopamine production, which will probably help you remember this video in the future. And CAMP serves as a signaling molecule between neurons, and I think that's pretty important for a body to work. I'm not 100% sure on that, though. Now it's time for some fun facts about dopamine, which are definitely not required to get a full score. Dopamine also serves as the reward circuitry in your brain, reinforcing behaviors like completing your homework and exercise. But there are actually 5 types of dopamine receptors, and those types, very originally named, are called D1, D2, D3, D4, and can you guess the last one? Congratulations, you got it correct. Dopamine receptor 5 is called Frank. Just kidding. I mean, of course dopamine receptor 5 is called D5, because biologists are the most creative people I have ever met. Now, it's time to get the dopamine reward from submitting this video.